Your attorney cannot force the state to give you what you want. If you want your case dismissed, yes, your attorney can bring information to the state, perhaps show them why the case should be dismissed. But the state could still say, no, we're not dismissing it. So he can't force them. He doesn't walk around with dismissals in his back pocket and just saves them for whoever he wants to give them to.
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
Christopher Medellin.
Judge Healy is present.
All right, let me go to Odyssey and log in. All right, thank you. All right, so Mr. Medellin, come on down. So counsel, is this going to be a jury trial?
Judge, we have a preliminary issue.
Yes.
So I had talked to Mr. Medellin. Apparently, his wife is in discussions with, I guess, Ernie Acevedo about hiring him.
Mhm.
I said, you have every right to do that. I'll file a motion to withdraw. He's not happy with my services. He believes I am an arm of the DA's office, helping to prosecute.
But they have their own arms. So here's the thing. You're here today for a plea deadline date. So today is your plea deadline date. Either you're accepting or coming to an agreement with the state or not. Let me explain to you things about attorneys. And I'm not allowed to say, hey, an attorney is a great attorney or not a great attorney. I'm just not allowed to do that. But this is what I will tell you. Your attorney cannot force the state to give you what you want. If you want your case dismissed, yes, your attorney can bring information to the state, perhaps show them why the case should be dismissed. But the state could still say, no, we're not dismissing it. So he can't force them. He doesn't walk around with dismissals in his back pocket and just saves them for whoever he wants to give them to. And the state will make an offer. The defense can go back with the state and say, hey, my client will not accept this offer, but my client is willing to accept another offer, which would be a counter offer. And the state could say, you know what? No, we're not accepting your counter offer. We're not moving from where we are. So your question today is, do you want a jury trial or not? Because your plea deadline date is today.
So you're saying that he has a right to, he's obligated to speak for me, and that's what I'm saying, that I need an attorney because he refused to speak on my counter offer or anything like that.
No, excuse me, just 1 second. I am sure because attorneys ethically must present offers to the state. So you're trying to say that this attorney didn't present your counter offer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, well, let's do that right now to be sure for you that he has presented the counter offer. Mr. Maurer, if you could go to the state and tell them what his counter offer is. I'm assuming you've already done that, but if you could just do that one more time for me, please.
I will be happy to do that.
All right, thank you. So have a seat. He's going to go to the state with your counter offer. And excuse me, Deputy Mejia, can you send him on the end so that he can hear Mr. Maurer come with the counter offer? All right, have Mr. Medellin come down, please. Christopher Medellin, correct?
Yes, correct.
All right. So today is your plea deadline date. Do you want a jury trial or a bench trial?
I'm trying to see if I can get a different court appointed counsel.
No. This is your court appointed attorney. So do you want a bench trial or a jury trial? Or have you all reached an agreement?
As I conferred with Duffy, he extended a new offer. I conveyed it to my client, let him read the file, aware of the discovery. I generously support his motion to get a new lawyer. I'm sure there are many better than me in the courthouse. And
I disagree with that.
to be effectively represented. So if the court wants to appoint somebody else, I
No.
believe will not be here.
No. Court will not be appointing you a new attorney. This is your attorney. If you want another attorney, you'll need to hire one. So my question for you, today is your plea deadline date. Have you reached an agreement? If you have not reached an agreement, then your plea deadline will have expired and your next setting is going to be a jury trial or either bench trial.
I mean, I have a little bit of time to hire an attorney in.
All right, your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not consider any plea bargains in this case without good cause. All right, do you want a bench trial or jury trial?
Jury trial.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can give them a jury trial date, it should be short. It's a robbery. So I'm thinking, including jury selection, what, 2 days?
Well, there's a robbery, felon possession of firearm.
Okay, I just have the robbery. Is there another case? Let me see. That may be on a different docket for a different day. So Norma, 3 days, jury trial. All right, you're coming back on September 23rd for your jury trial date. Your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. And Mr. Duffy, could you do an acknowledgement of discovery, please?
Get that right now, Judge.
Thank you.
September 3rd is for a court hour.
Yes. All right. And if you do hire an attorney, you need to let them know they need to be ready for trial on September 23rd. Do you understand? All right. Thank you. Mr. Meyer, once you sign the acknowledgement,
Okay,
then you're excused with regards to Mr. Medellin.
thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, the court is going to call 2019 CR 9959 State versus Christopher Beltran. Could I have Mr. Beltran?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're going to start with your case. Could I have someone from the state, please?
The for the state of Texas, sir.
All right, Mr. Beltran, your attorney is not here. This hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. Your attorney is Judy Wimmert. Could you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. If you'll state your name for the record, please.
Christopher Beltran.
All right, Mr. Beltran, you're appearing by Zoom. Do you have any objection to the court having this hearing by Zoom, or would you like to have us bench warrant you back from the prison?
What is this for?
It's to see whether or not you wish to continue with your appeal.
Oh, yes, ma'am. If y'all want to take me back, that's fine.
No, that's not my question. I have certain questions for you. You're appearing by Zoom. Do you have any objection to answering these questions by Zoom?
No, ma'am.
All right. Now, your attorney was supposed to be here. Your attorney is not here. Have you had any contact with your attorney, Judith Wimmert?
No, ma'am. This is new to me.
All right. So do you understand what an appeal is?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right. So Judy Wimmert was appointed to represent you on your appeal. Have you had any contact with her?
No, ma'am. But I know I did put in an appeal. It's just that they never contacted me. I mean,
All right. So Mr. Beltran, I just need you to answer the questions that I'm asking of you, because I don't want you to say anything that you should not say, because your attorney is not here. We do not know where your attorney is. This hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. and your attorney was supposed to be here at 9 a.m. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you understand what an appeal is?
Yes.
All right. So do you wish to continue with your appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'm just going to ask you these questions. I already know the answer to them, but I must ask them because it's required.
Okay.
Do you have any type of savings account?
No, ma'am.
How long have you been in custody?
Like 2.5 years.
All right. And I will tell you, I'm not the judge who heard this. This was before I was elected to the bench. So there's another judge who heard this. So you've been in custody for 2.5 years?
Yeah, going on.
All right. Have you been able to obtain any type of funds?
No, ma'am. Just with what I could get here and there. Nothing much, really.
All right. Do you have any cash on hand?
No, ma'am. I'm incarcerated.
Okay. And again, I know the answers to these questions, but the record needs to be clear. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, my next question for you is you said that you wish to continue with your appeal, and you told the court that you understand what an appeal means.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so from looking at the docket sheet and looking at your record, you were placed on deferred adjudication, and then at some point you entered a plea of true and your probation was revoked. Do you recall that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So when you're seeking an appeal, that means that you want the appellate court or some appellate court to review what has happened and make a decision on whether or not your sentence should continue. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that to be an appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you wish to continue with your appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is going to find that the defendant is indigent based upon his testimony, and the court is going to find that the defendant has not abandoned his appeal. The defendant is requesting an appeal. So, Mr. Beltran, an appellate counsel will be appointed to represent you. Do you have any objections to the removal of your current appellate counsel, Judith Wimmer?
No, ma'am.
Are you asking that Judith Wimmer be removed as your appellate counsel?
No, ma'am.
Now, listen to me closely. Do you want Judith Wimmer to be removed as your appellate counsel? Yes or no?
Yes.
And are you requesting that an appellate counsel be a different appellate counsel be appointed to represent you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, Mr. Beltran, what will end up happening, I will make sure that the appellate court has these findings, and we'll make sure that you're appointed a new appellate counsel.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Do you have any questions before I release you? We're off the record.
No, ma'am.
All right. We'll make sure that a new counsel is appointed to represent you for your appeal.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie court watch quick as a flash.